Some people argue that it is not wise for an industry to replace its experienced but old workers with new and young yet inexperienced individuals. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Nowadays, almost every company tends to retire its employees once they have reached a certain age. I completely agree with this practice and believe elderly staff need to be replaced with younger workers despite the difference in their work experience. First and foremost, a large majority of workers lose their strength as they become older. This is mainly because the human body has limits, and working for a long time, say, 30 or 35 years, can affect it negatively. For example, young industrial workers tend to work for 5 to 6 hours before they take breaks, while older ones usually need to rest every 1 or 2 hours. This means that productivity levels would certainly decline. Furthermore, new employment opportunities for young people are very limited. Most companies do not offer more than a few new jobs every year and try not to increase their staff members dramatically to keep expenses low. Consequently, they should definitely lay off some of the older personnel to make room for younger ones, especially those around 20 to 30 years old who are about to form families and support them. Some may argue that removing older workers from the workplace will deprive younger workers of what they can teach them in terms of experience and skills. However, I think the old workers' experience is usually out of date and is of little use to new recruits who need to learn how to employ modern technologies such as computers and lasers. In conclusion, I think companies need to force their elderly workforce to retire and employ younger workers to replace them to improve productivity, have up-to-date workers and provide jobs for young people. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.